In this video, you'll learn about web browsers. Then you'll use your web browser to open google.com. All internet searches are performed by using a web browser. Web browsers allow you to view and navigate websites and web pages. You're using a web browser to watch this video right now. You can use Google Search using any web browser, but these videos feature the Google Chrome browser. Your browser may look slightly different, but you can still follow the same instructions to complete the lesson. A web page is a digital document that you can visit on the internet. A group of web pages is called a website. These days, most companies and organizations have websites. Individual people may also have their own websites to promote their careers or share their interests. Think of each website as a building, full of information. Each web page is a room within that building. The World Wide Web is like a vast, endless city, full of giant buildings that contain lots of rooms. On the web, unlike the city, you can travel from place to place in an instant. Now it's time to visit Google to perform your search. In the address bar of your browser, type in google.com. Then press Enter or Return to visit google.com. Now it's your turn. Type google.com into the address bar and press Enter or Return. Then click Next to watch the next video.